Hello, my name is Lorenzo, and I'm going to tell you about that today. This is a 200-watt portable 3-in-1, the specific operation of Step 1. Find our power cord. Put our power cord, the 3-pin socket. Plug in. This location, the interface of this power cord. Then lock. Just lock it tightly, and then plug the other end into the power strip. Power supply. Select the appropriate power supply. Connect him to a power source with 220 volts single-phase electricity. After connecting the power supply, now you can perform a boot operation. The first step is to turn on the emergency stop button of the machine. Turn it clockwise. It's okay. And that's when we found out the indicator light is a yellow state. Let's look at the screen now. The screen is on now. Now is the main interface of the system. Next, we change the language. Point parameter setting. Point language font. Select in the first line. Select the appropriate language. Choose the appropriate language you like. OK, now switch to English state. OK, let's go. So this is a page of a marker. Marked page. If we want to mark any fonts, here you can simply enter. You can simply enter some language text. Click to add point text. For example, enter delete lose. For example, enter 123. Just a simple one. Simple 123 comes out. What if you don't like this one? Just delete it directly. The rest is the 123 just hit. It can also support importing graphics. Various graphics can also be imported, including some simple graphics is okay. We can also import some files. There is a USB port at the tail of the machine. There is a USB socket on the power interface. If there are some files that need to be imported, it can be made on the computer. Insert directly. Perform a more complex marking. Currently supported input formats include DXF, etc. Some common ones support importing. We're going to come back to the screen. So we're going to put 123 on this circle. Mark it. Before marking, since we only turned on the system just now, no laser on. Now let's turn the laser button on. Press down. The buttons turn red down. It means that the laser has been turned on. In this state, the laser can be fired. Okay, let's get back to the system. Click to preview. Click to preview. You can preview the shape of this marking. You can see it. A square. It's already previewed. We now perform a marking operation. Click to mark. OK. This time, click the launch button on the lens. You can mark them one by one. It's already marked like this. One circle plus 123. This is a simple one marked. A demonstration of an operation. For more functions, you can contact our after-sales staff. I will give you detailed training. Next we switch to. Let me show you the cleaning mode. Click Settings. Click System. Click Advanced Settings. OK. Here it is. Cancel the tick of the button marked with the Enable button. Click on the cleaning mode to enable. Click back. The main interface is OK. Now it is a cleaning main interface. We clean the main interface with 9 graphics. It's all possible. It can be used normally. Parameters can be adjusted here. There are various aspects such as length, width, and height. Then an adjustment of the scanning speed. These are the parameters of the laser. Can be adjusted. We also preview the graphics first. Click to preview. So let's say that now indicates a square. This is the red square preview. The red light preview is out. Okay, we are now conducting a cleaning operation. Click to clean. Click the laser launch button. Now the laser comes out square. And this time we can move. Move the machine to perform a cleaning operation. Then you can switch to another graphic. Let's say we switch to a sign. OK, click to clean. So now the machine has a sinusoidal shape. When we finish marking or cleaning, the order we shut down is like this. Turn off the switch button of the laser first. Then press the emergency stop button down. This entire time, the machine is off. This time. Then put the power cord of the machine. Unplug. Now move on. In the case of a complete power failure, this is the entire operation because of the laser cleaner. It's a fairly sophisticated instrument, so during use, be sure to keep the lenses clean and tidy. If you find contaminants on the lenses, it must be replaced in time. Under what circumstances do you need to replace the protective lenses? Is to see the surface. When there are contaminants on the surface of the lens, simple wipe. For example, there are some small stains in the center that cannot be wiped off. The mirror is abnormally agitated. Abnormal sound. Need to stop now. Check the cleaning activity or marking activity. When you find that the handle is very hot, maybe it's the mirror inside too. Or there is a problem with the motor, so the light can't come out. It's inside. Heat accumulation. So the condition that caused it to overheat. You also need to stop cleaning or marking immediately. Next, we proceed to a washing machine. 1 replacement protective lens. Materials have these. 1 laser protective lens for D48 by T3. Alcohol wipes. Alcohol wipes. And a clean cloth. Try the whole process. During the replacement process, find a cleaner one. Otherwise, it is easy to cause secondary pollution in the replacement of lenses. Damage to other optical lenses inside the cleaning head. Step 1. Unscrew counterclockwise. Unscrew this protective lens, the outermost fixing assembly. This is the protective lens. When it is contaminated, we open the protective lenses. When taking protective lenses, try not to touch the surface of the lens with your hands. Go get the side. Don't contaminate the center of the lens. This is a new protective lens. In the process of taking, holding the edge by hand, or use alcohol wipes to get it. Yes, use alcohol wipes to get one. Make sure it's clean. Put the old, and now put the new protective lenses. Put it on with wine. Put it in the right place. Put it inside. OK. Put the pressure ring back at this time. Then screw it on clockwise. Tighten. And that completes the replacement of the entire protective lens.